If you're looking to buy or sell in the Lake Geneva area, the spring market is now taking hold. But what does that even mean for you? Well, let's dive in. We're still in a seller's market, but with a twist. More on that later. Listings have declined, buyer demand has declined. That's normal. It's winter. But with the spring market, we're starting to see the shifts. Inventory is starting to rise, which is what's pushing up months of inventory. As you can see, Walworth County, we're at 3.23. In Lake Geneva, 2.79. What this means is that sellers, you still have the upper hand, but buyers will start getting some breathing room soon. On cue with the spring market, the average days on market has dropped, which means buyer demand is solid. In Walworth County, it's at 59.6 days. In Lake Geneva, 67.2 days. That's right in a healthy range. So homes are selling steadily, but only if they're priced properly and presented well. Here's some good news for sellers. In Walworth County, the sold to list price ratio is 97.4, meaning homes are selling within 97% of their asking price. In Lake Geneva, it's 97.2. This is really good. This means that buyers are paying close to list price, especially for those well-priced, well-maintained properties. If it's not, expect your home to sit on the market for some time until you get a lower than listing offer or you're forced to reduce the price of your home. Year to date, the median sold price of homes in Walworth County is $380,000. In Lake Geneva, it's $585,000. This has been driven by strong demand and low inventory, especially homes within the $250,000 and $650,000 price range, where most of the action is happening here in Walworth County. This will continue to be an issue. I had an opportunity to speak with Mayor Krause at our Visit Lake Geneva meeting last month. And when I asked him what his plans were for workforce housing, he said, really the problem is an availability of space to build. So not something that they can solve overnight. Remember how I said it was a seller's market, but with a twist? Well, not all homes are flying off the shelf. Why? Because the market is polarized. Well-priced, well-maintained homes, those are getting snapped up fast. Some are even getting bidded up. Overpriced homes? Not so much. Remember those days when homes were selling for ridiculously over asking price? Yeah, that's not happening anymore. Those days are gone. If your home is overpriced, expect it to sit for a while, and then people will start thinking something is wrong with it, and then your listing will expire. And then when you go to relist it, either they think you're a difficult owner or you're ripe for having lowball offers. Not a good place to be in. So if you are a seller, the key is knowing a good pricing strategy that makes your home stand out from the get-go. There you have it. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Lake Geneva area, give us a call for a home price valuation or just some general information on the market. Make your next move legendary.